First of all, congratulations. The trailer looks very amazing.
Lovely.
When we
Thank
see
you.
both of you, we think of Chucha and Honey. Will Rahu Ketu will give a strong competition to that?
We really hope and we really feel and we really believe that post 16th of January, once you watch Rahu Ketu, you would, fingers crossed, probably address us as Rahu and Ketu. That is the attempt and that is the koshish. Of course, it comes from the same world of Fukre. The writer of Fukre is the writer of Rahu Ketu and he's also directed it. So the fun, the element, if Honey and Chucha have made you laugh, if Honey and Chucha have made you smile, if they've entertained you, that's a promise that when you come to see Rahu Ketu, that promise will be fulfilled. That is our promise to you. And it's just a roller coaster of a lot of cosmic chaos blended with a lot of laughter. That is what Rahu Ketu is.
But you want to add Pulkit to it?
I would say Honey or Chucha made us best friends, right? And because of that friendship is where we, eventually landed up with Rahu Ketu. We had a lot of options all these years. मतलब I can very proudly say कि इतने सारे scripts और इतना पैसा ऑफर हुआ कि आप दोनों साथ में एक और फिल्म कर लो, हमारे साथ कर लो, ये कर लो, पैसे रेडी हैं, एवरीथिंग रेडी. वी हैड टू मतलब दिल पे पत्थर रख के हमने बहुत स्क्रिप्ट्स को मना किया और बहुत पैसे को मना किया और बहुत पैसे को मना किया. सो इवेंचुअली वी फाउंड समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, विच इज़ राहु एंड केतु, विच वुड नॉट damage the expectation that we also have as audience from the world of Fukre, and is the same director, is the same writer who's also directing the film. So that becomes a very interesting part for us to play. और फुकरे में yes अतरंगी दुनिया है, हनी चूचा के एडवेंचर्स हैं, लेकिन राहु केतु में अतरंगी दुनिया हमारे एडवेंचर्स के अलावा फैंटेसी भी है और इट्स वेरी नाइसली पैकेज्ड विद अमेजिंग एक्टर्स. मेरे ख्याल से बहुत मज़ा आने वाले लोगों को.
एक लाइन में अगर मैं बोल सकूं तो हनी और चूचा हमको धरती पे और दुनिया में लेके आए थे एंड राहु केतु हमें शायद ब्रह्मांड में ले जाएंगे.
Oh wow, that's a compliment. Walk us through the world of Rahu Ketu. You know, when we think of these two people do things, we get scared. So are the characters are similar in that sense? Because I saw the hint of it, कि everybody's scared of you both.
Scared in the sense कि see, now Rahu Ketu, of course, as you said, people connect Rahu and Ketu with only negativity in their life, only bad things happening to them. कि अरे ये कैसे होगा, पंडित जी प्लीज़ बताइए ना, ये राहु कैसे ठीक होगा. राहु ठीक होगा, करेक्ट, जिसका मतलब है अगर राहु और केतु ठीक होते हैं आपकी कुंडली में तो आपको बहुत कुछ मिलता है. राहु का काम है आपको धन दौलत शोहरत नाम प्रदान करना और केतु का काम है आपको डिटैचमेंट, लव, सरेंडर, मोक्ष, ये सब देना. सो इफ़ एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू योर कर्मा. If your karma is clean, then they will give you a clean chit with lots and lots of rewards. If your karma has some sort of black spot or grey spot there, then definitely that spot will show in your life as well.
Varun, you agree with her?
Absolutely, I do. I think सब चीज़ है, असल चीज़ होते है आपका कर्म. कर्म अच्छे हुए तो उतना ही वरदान, कर्म खराब हुए तो उतना ही दंड, जो कि है राहु केतु की
essence,
soul of राहु केतु is that, and वही हमने फिल्म में भी implement करने की कोशिश करी है through laughter and through entertaining medium.
Is it more than a decade when Fukre released and you guys been loved and adored among audience? But then, if I talk about you, your career, you've been tagged as a chocolate hero. You've been put in that frame. So, do you think that you have not given enough opportunity to explore or show your talent?
No, I'm very happy with the kind of opportunities I've been offered and the kind of opportunities that I've gone out and snatched as well. I've been very lucky that I had, my debut with Bittu Boss. Then Fukre came along, a very successful franchise. There was Sanam Re, where I played the chocolate boy, the lover boy, and then there was Tash as well. And Bijoy was always in my bucket list. Ki I have to work with Bijoy anyhow, and so that बकेट लिस्ट पे एक टिक हो गया बिजॉय के साथ काम करके भी, और लोगों को काम बहुत पसंद आया, लोगों को फिल्म भी बहुत पसंद आई. सो एंड देन अगेन कमिंग बैक टू कॉमेडी, बट कॉमेडी के साथ साथ इस फिल्म में फैंटेसी भी है. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड दैट आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ अ फैंटेसी फिल्म एज वेल नाउ. And right after this, I'm coming out with Glory, which is my OTT debut. In that, I'm playing a boxer that has a lot of action, and it is sport oriented, and it's set up in Haryana. So उसमें लहजा भी अलग है, उसमें काम भी बहुत अलग किया है, मैंने कभी ऐसा कैरेक्टर प्ले नहीं किया. So yes, I think the industry and the people here have been very kind to me, very welcoming, and open to letting me explore various characters.
You know, after pandemic, the industry has gone through a lot of things. Right now, it's trying to hold. Now, it's doing pretty good. But there was a time when there was no work, no films being made, no shows being made because there was crunch of the finance and everything. During that time, how you both, as an artist, got hold of yourself? Because it's very challenging when the projects are not being made. So, how you guys dealt with it and how you channelized your energy to get the good work?
During the pandemic?
Yeah, during that time or after that.
I think I feel really blessed and lucky. I actually had a release in pandemic. That बीच में एक टाइम फ्रेम था जब 3 हफ्ते 4 हफ्ते के लिए थिएटर्स खुले थे, तो मेरी एक फिल्म थी रूही, तो वो इनफैक्ट पैंडमिक के बीच में रिलीज हुई थी. एंड दैट टाइम ऑल्सो वी वेंट एंड वी विटनेस्ड दैट पीपल wore masks and एक सीट छोड़ के बैठ रहे थे, and that's the time Ruhi also did great business and there was a lot of love. That's what the understanding we also got that time, that the love for cinema is so strong and so deeply rooted, and people really love cinemas and they really want to get entertained, and that's the most beautiful outing one could have. So it obviously comes with a whole lot of responsibility to deliver that. I had during the whole pandemic phase when everyone was at home during those 2 years, I was also home like obviously everyone, but I got a lot of time to spend with my own self, with my family. My mom's an artist, she paints. She was heading the Department of Fine Arts in one of my oldest colleges in my hometown, Jalandhar, Cambridge College. For the first time in my life, I learned how to paint from her. So I got to spend, I tried to utilize that time with my mom that time, and I mean, the world was still for a lot of people, and and it also gave a lot of retrospective view of in your own personality कि क्या सही है और क्या करना ज़रूरी है जीवन में. So that gave that time, and then slowly and gradually, then immediately after pandemic, in fact in that last leg, we started with Circus, which was shot like in that time frame. And the way we shot that film, I think, was so interesting because I mean, I've been lucky enough that I got a chance as it got opened. I was already shooting a film and I had a release that time. तो बहुत खूबसूरत एक phase था, pre-pandemic and post-pandemic also. Obviously वो 2 साल बीच के सभी के लिए मुश्किल थे. But I feel really blessed and lucky that constantly कुछ ना कुछ करने का मौका मिलता गया और वो आता गया यार.
How about you, Pulkit? How was your time, and then did you sit back and realize like?
Well, yeah, the beginning of it was obviously very jittery for everybody. I think I was also very flabbergasted with the effect of it, but there was also some sort of empathy in the air, because everybody is going through the same thing. And that is when I realized कि the moment you stop comparing yourself to others, कि अरे यार वो उसकी फिल्म आ रही है, मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ, उसका ये हो रहा है, मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ. अबे तो उसका छोड़, अपने पे ध्यान दे भाई. तू घर पे क्यों बैठा है? बाहर जा, लोगों से बात कर, कॉल्स कर, समझाओ उनको, बात कर. 10 जगह कॉल करोगे, 2 जगह से अच्छा काम आएगा. एंड एग्जैक्टली वही हुआ. I think we had our first narration of Fukre
3.
है ना, Fukre 3 during the lockdown only, and just before going to the set, just a week before that,
second lockdown happened.
The second lockdown happened. Just 4 days before going to the set, second lockdown happened. So we all faced it all together, but we are lucky that there are so many people. Everybody just held each other's hand and started walking forward. Ki as an industry, we need to be together and we need to bounce back. So it wasn't an individual bouncing back. It was the entire industry bouncing back. And everybody in the small camps or places or the kind of groups that everybody has, they were all trying to do their best in their capacity. कोई कम कर रहा था, कोई ज़्यादा कर रहा था, but everybody just started walking hand in hand, and I think that is what also got the entire industry together.
But do you think that you both have an upper edge when it comes to, because you both are connected with comedy, it means you have a larger audience and repeated audience as well. Do you think you guys have that upper edge when it comes to that?
think
We really hope so, first of all, though.
Yeah, we really hope so, and that it happens. And I think with, I don't know about upper edge or something, but there's a certain kind of responsibility that we have now for our audience who've accepted us, who've loved us, and who has made us a part of the family. I think there's an एक expectation होती है, और अब हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि जब भी हम साथ में कुछ करें या इंडिविजुअल कुछ करें, उस जॉनर में कुछ करें, तो एक बेंचमार्क सेट है, तो यार हमको वहाँ तक तो ऑडियंस को देना ही है. एम है उसके ऊपर देने का, और इच्छा है और आशा है कि उसके ऊपर ही दे पाए हमेशा, लेकिन एक बेंचमार्क तो सेट है भाई. तो आई थिंक अपर एज का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बहुत बड़ी हो गई है, तो उस नज़रिए से हम देखते हैं उसको.
For you, Pulkit?
I would totally agree with what he said, that there's a responsibility because there's an expectation. But the good thing is that just like everybody else, we are also an audience of Fukre. We are also in love with Fukre as an audience, not just as a part of it. अगर हम फुकरे के पार्ट नहीं होते ना, तो भी हम फुकरे से उतना ही प्यार करते, उतने ही बड़े फ़ैन होते हैं. जैसे हम ओए लकी लकी ओए के हैं, या जैसे हम घोसला का घोसला के हैं, we would be exactly that big fans of Fukre. तो हम as an audience also, we would not like us to spoil that legacy of Honey and Chucha coming together, or him and me coming together and entertaining people. हमें भी वो एक्सपेक्टेशन पता है, तो हम किसी चीज़ पे हाथ ही नहीं रखते जब तक हमें ये श्योरिटी नहीं है कि जो, जैसे इसने बोला कि बेंचमार्क जब तक नहीं मैच हो रहा, there is no need to even consider something like that. That's why when we saw so many colors, such Atarangi characters and fantasy in it, and there's a beautiful magical element going on. It's there is some surreal world and still in the real world. So वो सब इतना as a story itself ऐसे लगता है कि आपको बचपन में नानी कोई स्टोरी सुना रही हैं और आप सिर्फ अपने दिमाग में वो कहानी बनाते जा रहे हैं विजुअल्स के साथ. That is how I felt when I heard the narration for the first time, and that is when I understood कि फुकरे के बाद अगर हम दोनों को किसी एक फिल्म में काम करना है तो वो यही फिल्म है.
I was eavesdropping the earlier interview, and you mentioned you were in depression. That was a surprise for me. I mean, how you dealt with it, because a lot of people.
A lot of people don't even understand that they are depressed, or what depression is, or what feeling, there's a constant void within yourself. So a lot of people don't understand that they are in depression, and I feel now there is much more awareness where people are getting aware of the fact that depression is also medically diagnosed, and there are resources available to help you. I think Deepika was the first one here who started a helpline and she started an entire army of therapists. And as you must have also heard, that Kriti got me into therapy. So she helped me a lot because she's a constant believer in therapy. कि आपका जो भी कचरा है ना, आप निकाल दो बोल के, बात करके. You will find something, you will understand your own triggers, you will understand your own switch on switch off वाले switches, you will understand कि आपको गुस्सा आने में कितना टाइम लगता है, राइट? आपको गुस्सा आने में अगर इतना सही टाइम लग रहा है तो आप पूरा टाइम हर चीज़ पे गुस्से से रिएक्ट कर देंगे. आपका काम है थेरेपी के थ्रू और मेडिटेशन के थ्रू अपना ये टाइम बढ़ाने का, ताकि जब आपको गुस्सा आने वाला आपके पास बहुत टाइम है सोचने के लिए, उतने में गुस्सा वापस शांत हो जाता है. सो दिस इज जस्ट वन एग्जांपल, बट देयर आर many things that really help. So I really strongly believe and really advise a lot of people, even if they think that they don't need therapy, everybody must go through therapy, because दिल हल्का हो जाता है, बात हो जाती है. इस पे सब बोलते हैं कि अरे घर वाले भी तो है बात करने के लिए हैं. Yes, but there are some things you can't share with your family. There are some things you can't even tell your mom, not because they are not they're supposed to be censored या आप कुछ बुरी बात बोल रहे हैं. बट क्योंकि वो हमारी माँ है, वो हमारा परिवार है, वो कुछ ना कुछ जजमेंट के साथ सुनेंगे क्योंकि वो अटैच्ड है आपसे, तो उनका पहला रिएक्शन प्रोटेक्शन के थ्रू होगा. वी डोंट नीड प्रोटेक्शन व्हेन वी आर इन थेरेपी. We need guidance. We need guidance of a very balanced mind, of a very logical mind that is not attached to us in any manner, and that is why I recommend therapy a lot.
You tell us the next is Glory. What about you? What's next coming from you?
Oh, I have in 2026 I have 3 releases apart from Rahu Ketu. One is again my OTT debut, which is called Civil Lines. One is that. Then there's a film that I've finished. It's called Sub First Class with Cineone Studios and Geo. That is something that's going to be out. And I finished another film with Maddock. That is going to be out. And I'm starting with a new film after Rahu Ketu. It's called Side Heroes. It is being produced by Imtiaz Ali sir, Mrigdeep Singh Lamba and Mahavir Jain. And सिद्धार्थ सेन गुप्ता ने लिखी है, संजय त्रिपाठी जी डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, मैं अभिषेक बैनर्जी और अपार है उसमें. वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर इट and it's a beautiful script. So touchwood, God's been kind. 2026 is a beautiful year where there are few releases and there's something that I'm starting, and it is also a year which will show me in a different genre apart from comedy, and I hope the audience accepts me and gives me the love as much as they gave me in this genre.
Apart from Glory, something else also you have?
There is something else, but it's not my prerogative to talk about it right now without checking with the producers. But yeah, there is something more as well.
Wish you all the best. I hope people love the film and
Thank
you
you.
get all the love what you are.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thanks a
much.
lot.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.